What's up, y'all? Djondjon. Beautiful, dry, fragrant black mushrooms. They are known to be from the trumpet varietal. These grow exclusively in Haiti. Some of the ways to use djondjon traditionally would be to boil it, then to strain it. Whenever I need to use djondjon and to get the most out of it, this is exactly what I do. I use a spice grinder. And once you let it sit down for a few seconds, just open the lid, and there you go. Powdered djondjon. This will yield so much flavor and so much color that you'll be surprised how little you need in your dish. Go ahead and try it yourself and let me know what you think and what the results were. See you next time.